Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So, a bit ago I did a video on hydro dipping canvases. This was the first one, and see there's some spots there. This is them dry. This was the second one, which I kind of worked on doing a little bit of a pattern. Came out really cool, but also still some spots. And then after that video, I actually did one all on my own. Just trying something out and got no spots. So the advice I had been given was a bigger container and to roll the pieces, roll the canvas down instead of trying to place it flat. So we're going to try this again. I have this bigger container. It's not super deep, but I think it will be fine. And I'm going to do a 10 by 10 canvas and I'm going to roll it in there. So I'm going to grab some gloves and whatnot, and then we'll get started. All right, so first of all, if you didn't see that first video, I'll put the link down in the description. Definitely check it out. I'm using these Valspar. This is paint and primer. Someone asked if they're oil. It actually doesn't say anywhere on here what it is. I would not imagine that it would be oil, but yeah, I have mostly satin. This one is gloss though, and I'm using just a variety of blues and greens and then purple today instead of pink. I'm going to go ahead and spray on the surface here. I'm going to try to kind of make a cool design, and then I'm going to dip the canvas in it. You can dip all kinds of things, so I'll have some more videos on this coming up later if I can kind of more perfect it. Because I am doing this inside, I'm going to wear a mask, so I'm not going to talk during this part. Do this outside if you can, just so I can video it. I'm doing it inside. So anyways, here we go. Alright, so that worked much better. Still a couple little spots here, but I realized also if you spray it in there with too much force, it causes a break in the paint, and that happened around there as well, but definitely better on coverage. And I'm kind of working on learning these designs a bit. I am going to try one more for this video, and I want to do it a bit more random. I do like the circles, but I kind of want to see if I just do it like super random, what will happen. So we're going to do that real quick. And for this one, I am going to use a 9 by 12 because that's just what I have. So here we go. All right, there you go. I actually love this one. It's a lot like an acrylic pour. I love, look at these lines that I got over here. Super, super duper cool. Still a little few spots of the canvas showing. I do not mind that at all, actually. And one of the things I'll do for the next experiment is to also pre-prime the canvas. These do come pre-gessoed, so it's not like they're not sealed or anything, but to pre-prime the canvas with one of the colors. And that way also it won't matter if anything pokes through because it'll just blend right in. But super cool, and I'm definitely digging that purple in there. All right, guys, well, that was some fun hydro dipping. So, yeah, like I said, more experiments to come. I will be hydro dipping some other things as well. And I will see y'all next time.